Today I am reviewing the HP 17.3-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that combines performance, screen size, and smart features, the HP 17.3-inch Laptop 17 CP2199NR is designed to impress. Let's break down why this laptop could be the ideal choice for students, professionals, and casual gamers alike. Starting with the display, the HP 17.3-inch laptop features an HD Plus anti-glare panel. With 1.4 million pixels, this screen produces crisp and vivid visuals, whether you're streaming movies, browsing photos, or playing games. The anti-glare design also ensures that reflections and unwanted light are minimized, making it easier to use outdoors or in bright environments. This large screen is perfect if you enjoy watching media or need extra space for multitasking multiple windows at once. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, which delivers impressive performance for both productivity and entertainment. This processor, combined with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensures smooth performance whether you're running multiple applications, editing documents, or working on creative projects. The 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD is lightning fast, giving you near-instant boot times and rapid access to your files. Compared to traditional hard drives, this SSD performs up to 15 times faster, making lag almost a thing of the past. Graphics performance comes courtesy of AMD Radeon Integrated Graphics, allowing you to enjoy casual gaming or watch high-quality videos without stutter or lag. While not a dedicated gaming GPU, it still delivers solid performance for most mainstream titles and multimedia tasks. This HP laptop also comes with Windows 11 Home, providing a refreshed and modern interface. Features like a rejuvenated start menu, Microsoft Copilot access, and multitasking enhancements make it easier to think, create, and express yourself. The Copilot button on the keyboard gives instant access to AI-powered assistance, helping you with tasks, documents, or even brainstorming ideas. Video calls are crystal clear with the HP True Vision HD camera. Coupled with AI noise reduction, your voice is captured clearly even in noisy environments, and the camera shutter adds a layer of privacy when you need it. Audio is enhanced for multi-person conversations, making work from home or virtual classrooms more seamless. Ergonomics haven't been overlooked. The Lift-hinge design elevates the keyboard for more natural typing, reducing strain during long typing sessions. This, along with a spacious keyboard layout, makes it comfortable for long hours of work, study, or creative projects. Finally, HP's commitment to sustainability is evident in this model. The laptop uses ocean-bound plastics in its bezel and speaker enclosures and post-consumer recycled plastics in the keycaps, making it a more eco-conscious choice. In conclusion, the HP 17.3-inch 17 CP2199NR is a well-rounded laptop offering a large, immersive display, speedy performance, smart AI features, and sustainable design. Whether you're streaming, working, gaming lightly, or creating content, this laptop is built to handle it all. For anyone looking for a powerful and reliable laptop with modern features and a spacious screen, this HP model is definitely worth considering.